Hi, I'm Kerry Greenwald, Senior VA Loan Specialist and owner of Creekside Mortgage. Today I want to come in and talk to you a little bit about VA home renovation loans. This loan started in 2018. It's been a great product that we've seen continue to build and more lenders going through and offering it now. It just helps you out. If you've got a home that's not move-in ready and it needs to be a little fixed up and has some issues with it, it's harder for the seller to sell it, but you see opportunity as a buyer. In doing 100% financing, it's pretty difficult to go through and manage your own capability of getting into a house, be able to fix it up. Well, VA will go through and allow that stuff to happen afterwards. So they'll lend you $50,000 increase in what the property currently stands at to go through and do modifications or improvements to the property. It can't be structural, but they will be able to go through and do certain modifications to improve the value of that house. And then at the end of the transaction, you've got, the perfect house. There are some disadvantages of going through and doing the renovation loan. Interest rates will tend to be a little bit higher than what the standard rate would be on a VA. We're seeing things in between 0.375 to 0.5% higher than what the standard VA rate is. But if you're able to get into a house that's depressed or anything else, they can't go through and sell it. It's a huge opportunity for you to be able to get that house at that lower price and then be able to go through and modify it and fix it up. So it's definitely an opportunity, and we're seeing more and more of those go through and happen. And something we strongly recommend if you're in that position to be able to do it. Just finding a house that just needs a little bit of extra TLC, and it could be where the house where you want it to be. So you might have more questions. I put a lot of information in the blog right here that talks a lot about this product and mentions how it kind of works and some different things about it. And then definitely the easiest way is to go through and just call my office, speak to anyone on my team, on the Greenwald team. We'd love to go through and help you. So hopefully that makes sense, and look forward to talking to you. Thank you.